DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Trump media, this is how my chart looks like. First and foremost, the price started breaking up, which is first of all a sign of potential bullishness. But like I said, just randomly buying, it's never the answer, at least not for me, because that has never worked for me. What I'm more so going to do is just wait for like a 1 hour double break. That means I want to see the price break once here, pull down and break up again on the 1 hour range, and only then that's going to be like a bullish market in which I could start, and take a little buys. And it really depends, because then the management game can be left out. And really, I mean, there's two games in trading: how you get in the trade and then how you manage the trade. But yeah, that's a whole different story. If you want to learn the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.